Collections are a wonderful way to organize multiple datasets. But what actually happens with them as you do an analysis? What's a life cycle of a collection? I have here 3 samples, well, just 6 files because it's paired end reads, forward, reverse, forward, reverse, forward, reverse, and these are SARS-CoV-2 sequences from 3 patients. What I would like to do is to map them against SARS-CoV-2 genome. Of course, SARS-CoV-2 is the pathogen of the day at the time of the recording, so we're using it in this example. So first, I'm going to create a paired collection out of these data sets, and for that I'm going to enable these checkboxes, select the data sets I would like to include in my collection, build list of dataset pairs, and my forward and reverse reads are distinguished by -Fs and -Rs. I'm going to auto pair them, hide original elements, and I will call this collection patient data, for example. So I have this collection. I'm going to disable the checkboxes. If we click on it, we'll see that it has 3 samples, and each sample has forward and reverse reads. So let's map these data sets against SARS-CoV-2 genome. For this, we are going to use BWMM. So let's find it. Here it is. In this particular case, I would like to map my reads against this genome, which is already here in my history. Therefore, I'm going to use genome from history. You can see that it's now selected here. And as an input, I'm going to use paired collection, which we just created. It's called patient data. So you can see that it's all there, and we can simply click execute to start this analysis. You can see that it immediately creates another collection. So Galaxy knows that because we use collection as an input, it actually needs to start 3 BWMM jobs to map each of the 3 samples. Now that it's done, let's look inside. If we click, you can see that it's a collection with just 3 data sets. It's no longer have this next level with forward and reverse reads, obviously, because what BWA does, it takes FASTQs and generates BAM as an output. So what I have here is 3 BAM data sets. So in this case, life cycle of my collection is that I start with an input collection, I run a tool, and I generate output collection as a result. And no matter what we do next, for example, remove duplicates or call variants or any other kind of analysis, it would produce yet another collection.